Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organisms. We have divided this chapter into two parts. In first part, introduction about reproduction and asexual reproduction. In second part, sexual reproduction and their process. Reproduction in organism. Reproduction in organism is a simple chapter in class 12. Each and every organisms can live only for a certain period of time. The period from birth to the natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. Lifespan of organisms are not depends on their size of a organism. For example, the size of crows and parrots are not much differ in size, but their lifespan show wide difference. For example, crow has 15 years of lifespan, but parrot has 140 years. Similarly, a mango tree has much shorter lifespan as compared to peepal tree. Whatever be the lifespan, death of every organism is certainty. For example, no individual immortal except single-celled organism. Why is single-celled organism is immortal? Because there is no natural death in single-celled organism. Like amoeba and bacteria reproduce by asexual reproduction. The parental cell divides into two daughter cells, so there is no practical death in amoeba and bacteria. Reproduction. Reproduction is defined as biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones similar to itself. The offspring grow, mature, and in turn produce new offspring and ultimately die. Thus, there is a cycle of birth, growth, and death. Reproduction enables the continuity of species generation after generation. There is a large diversity in this biological world, and each organism has evolved its own mechanism to multiply and produce their offspring its own. The offspring that produce and its internal physiology and several other factors are collectively responsible for how it reproduces. There is two types of reproduction. First, asexual reproduction, not involving sex. It is a kind of reproduction where offspring is produced by single parent without involvement of gamete formation. The offspring are produced from one parent. There is no union of gametes. All the cell division are mitotic. All offspring are morphologically and genetically similar. It is very important. Asexual reproduction are offspring that are produced by asexual reproduction. They are morphologically and genetically similar to their parents. It is called as clone. The offspring are identical to one another and also exact copies of their parents are called clones. It is very common in organisms which have relatively simple organisms. Example, algae, fungi, and some invertebrate animals. Different modes of asexual reproduction. Cell division is unicellular organism. Budding in yeast, binary fusion. Cell division in prokaryotes, there is only one rather simple type of cell division in which produce two identical daughter cell. Budding. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction in which a new organism develops from outgrowth or bud due to cell division at one particular size. In yeast, the cell division is unequal and small buds are produced that remain attached to initially to their parent cell, which eventually get separated and mature into new yeast cell. Binary fusion. What is binary fission? A cell divides into two halves and each rapidly grows into an adult. Example, amoeba and paramecium, etc. Encystation. The process of forming a cyst or becoming enclosed in a capsule. Under favorable condition, the amoeba withdraws its pseudopodia and secretes a three-layered hard covering around itself. Sporulation. What is sporulation? The formation of spores in amoeba when favorable condition Return the instead, amoeba divides by multiple fission and produce many small spores. Asexual reproductive structure. Zoospores. Members of fungi and algae reproduce through special reproductive structure called zoospores, which are microscopic and motile. Example, Chlamydomonas. Conidia. In the fungi like penicillium that produced wonder drug penicillium have reproductive structure called conidia, which produce conidiospores. Buds. Asexual reproduction. Exogenous buds called hydra. Hydra reproduce by budding. Gemmules. Gemmules reproduce by sponges. Vegetative reproduction. In plants, the term vegetative reproduction is used for asexual reproduction. Example, reproduction through a vegetative parts or propagules of the plants is called vegetative reproduction. For example, eyes of potato, rhizome of ginger, bulbil of agave, leaf buds of bryophyllum, offset of water hyacinth, sucker of bulb of onion. Since the formation of this structure does not involve two parents, the process is called asexual reproduction. Note: Terror of Bengal, water hyacinth. It is an aquatic, most dangerous water plant. It stagnates the water. It drains oxygen from the water, which leads to death of fishes. This plant was introduced to India because of its beautiful flowers and shape of leaves. It can propagate vegetatively at a phenomenal rate and spread all over the world in a short period of time. It is very difficult to get rid of them. Fragmentation. A kind of asexual reproduction where in a parent organism breaks into fragments, each capable of growing independently into a new organisms. Example, Hydra. Advantages of asexual reproduction. Simple mitotic division may produce large number of young ones. It helps in dispersal of offspring to far off place. Offsprings are produced or genetically similar to their parents. Disadvantages of asexual reproduction. Offspring produced do not possess much capacity to adapt rapidly with environment changes taking place. No genetic recombination occurs, thus there is no variation.